So, I've just taken my bike out for the first time. It's my new bike. Haven't named it yet, but I will. But yeah, first thing, I've just cycled so much further than I was able to on my other bike at such like a better speed, smoother, so good. So yeah, thanks Liz at Route 2 for hooking me up. But the reason I'm filming here is behind me, I've been watching season 2 of Stranger Things, and this place where I'm at here, so I'm in Devon, it's called Hawkerland, so it's kind of like Hawkins, and yeah, it just really made me think of Stranger Things behind me. That's it. This is going to be my first YouTube video. I'm just going to put this one up and there'll be more and more coming, but you got to start, and this is the first one, and there we go. That's the end of the video. There'll be more. So, I know I said that I was just going to record that video and then put it up, but my bike ride took me to one of my favourite spots around this part here, so I just thought I had to share it. So, in the background over here, you've got the sea. And then we've got this beautiful landscape, Woodbury Common. That's it, that's all. Just thought I'd share that. Why not, eh?